Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. We will start with the first of all bank related transactions. When we go to the under the transaction bank, we will get a number of transactions here. The first one is check. Check is used basically for direct payment from the bank. Like there will be a note like first we will book something under some PayPal account. Then pay and check. Direct entry is used like it will one and one accounting effect will from the into the bank. GL. That can be any expense, real or any other. Chart of account GLL. And normally the normal use case is for paying the employees the advance, or we can also use to direct payment to employees or vendors if we are not using the accounts table. Let me pick employee here. You mean we will enter name it here, both will come in here. Employee will also come on, vendor name will also come in. I selected this Roger Brown. The use case of this is just like you're just writing the check. That's all. Just write the check to a vendor or an employee. We will go to the expense line, or we can select the item here also. Let me check which jail is available here. Under this, all J will come. We can all type of jail accounts will come under this section. Let me check which we can use. Let's say something of the advanced later on. Also, there is no text implement implication. There is no text available in this transaction. Generally, the most common use case for this transaction is like that, only that if we are about to pay some advance to the vendor or employee can use that transaction. We have some practice expenses also. No, it's being used there also to work in India. Like most of the organizations do some small expenses, like something like 2000 Indian rupees or 3000. They had all my unique. Yes, but it has expenses which, like generally, which don't have any text input and other things. Like any different refreshment for client meetings or anything. All this transaction is used for that. The GL impact will be the direct expense to bank. Bank, and we just get the name then with the in the bank GL. Otherwise, there is no use of taking the name. When we take the dump of this particular GL account, we would like to know this is spirit against this particular name. Let me enter one more entry letter to write check. Before that, I have to create one GL account. And once it's been Now we have paid the advance to this employee. Now let's say the employee submitted our expenses for the investment against it. And also how we will settle that? We will go to transactions, we will go to employee, then enter expense report. Enter expense report. Is that down? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.